in case of arbitration, what happens? Suppose the matter is in High Court, and at certain stage you decide that no, I don't want to go into the High Court, it is a time taking. So you have to give application in the High Court that now you want to go for arbitration. High Court will give the consent for that. Once you get that consent from that High Court, then now you are going for the arbitration. Now suppose you are not agreeing with that particular arbitrator, you cannot go into the High Court for this particular case. So please remember this particular situation. You don't have a U-turn now. Once you have taken it back from the High Court, you cannot go again into that High Court. Generally, this is the situation. In certain cases only there are chances, but this is the situation that when you are referring matter to the arbitrator with the permission of High Court, you are entering into that. The decision is binding. Rather, in some cases it is always written. Even in the statutes also it is. So you have to carefully see the statute. In certain cases, now copyright there may not be the situation, but contract you check the contract very carefully. If in the contract some clause is there that this decision is a final, or this authority will act as a arbitrator and this decision is in final and it cannot be appealable in any of the